Beautiful babes, today I will be sharing with you this amazing drink right here. This is something that's going to help you in your weight loss journey. Not only that, the amazing benefits of each of the ingredients in here is going to also help improve your digestion, keep your gut healthy, reduce high blood pressure, give you clear, amazing looking skin. So much in here. Let me go ahead and show you how I made this wonderful juice.
I remember getting locked up in myself. That thing of loving was for everybody else. Lost and lonely, having hurt too many times. Gave up on hoping, thought I'd never get it right.
This juice drink will contain celery. Foods like celery contain less calories than it takes the body to digest them, hence negative calorie foods. Negative calorie foods can help your body burn fat and lose weight. They can boost the rate at which your body burns calories, both temporarily and in the long run. And as I mentioned, this is a healthy watermelon juice drink to help you lose weight fast. We all know keeping yourself hydrated is as important as exercise for a weight loss program to be successful. Now, watermelon juice helps you to keep yourself hydrated and also helps in burning calories due to being rich in amino acid. Now, I'll talk a lot about watermelon because that is the main ingredient in this juice drink. So, watermelons are not just a refreshingly sweet, thirst-quenching fruit, but they are actually abundant in nutritional benefits, from vitamins and minerals to phytonutrients. They are rich in vitamins A, C, and B complex compounds such as thiamine, riboflavin, and pyridoxine. Watermelons afford a wealth of beta carotene as well as folates, pantothenic acid, the amino acid citrulline, and antioxidants lycopene, cryptozaphin, lutein, and zeaxanthin. They also contain anti-inflammatory phenolic compounds, which include both lycopene and triterpenoid. They are plentiful in minerals, potassium, manganese, magnesium, phosphorus, and copper, and trace amounts of selenium, iron, and even calcium. The seeds of the watermelon offer a wealth of nutrients as well, and never should be overlooked because watermelon is so nutrient rich. It is a juice for fasting, cleansing, and weight loss. Watermelon provides a rich source of electrolytes and is void of cholesterol and nearly absent of fat, while offering a modest amount of fiber and protein, and as little as 47 calories per cup. We'll also be making use of beetroot juice. Beetroot juice has a lot of fiber and help keep us full for a longer time. Beetroot juice is helpful in maintaining a healthy bowel movement due to being a good source of both soluble and insoluble dietary fiber. Therefore, it is an ideal juice for people who are trying to lose weight. Consumption of beetroot juice helps in reducing weight by providing a low number of calories. And then finally, carrots. Carrots are naturally low in calories and full of nutrients that can help your weight loss efforts. Carrots are a weight loss friendly vegetable that cleanses the liver, hence they make an integral part of a detoxifying diet. Adding carrot juice to your daily diet can be one of the most effective ways to lose belly fat. Carrots are one superfood for weight loss due to its high fiber content. One glass of carrot juice will keep you full until lunch and thus will stop you from binging. Carrot juice helps in bowel secretion, which helps to burn fat and thus aids weight loss. Now let me share with you the quantity of each one of these produce that I put into this super wonderful healthy watermelon juice to help you lose weight fast. We're going to start off here just by preparing all of these wonderful superfoods here. I pulled off 4 of the ribs from the celery stalk, and then I also took 2 carrots as well, and only 1 of the beetroots. I also left the leaves on the beetroot. And then as far as the watermelon, I took about 2 inches, sliced it from the watermelon, and I did trim the rind off of the watermelon because sometimes it can make the juice a little bit bitter. So I went ahead and took all of that off completely, diced it up so it can easily fit into the juicer. So I did go ahead and rinse out my favorite pitcher. This is where I'm going to store my juice when I am completed. If y'all may recall, I did get this one from Amazon, and I will make sure that I put the link below for you. Now that the watermelon is prepared, I'm going to go ahead and proceed on to juice it first, and I'll let you see what it looks like there. Now the juicer I'm using is of course my number one. It's the Bella juice extractor, and I'll have a link below. If I can't locate this one, I will put one that is similar to it. I went ahead and juiced the watermelon. I left the seeds. I juiced the carrots, of course, after rinsing thoroughly all of my produce off with vinegar and water. I did rinse them all off, taking care of dicing up my beetroot in order to make it easy to juice, and that is so fast. I mean, it goes so fast. And then in my pitcher, I did put ice in my pitcher because I love my juices chilled, and I wanted to take a good swig of this one like right away because it's so yummy, y'all. You're not going to believe how yummy this is. I know it doesn't appear that it would be. I know for some people you may think it'll taste a little bit earthy because of the beetroot, but no, it is delicious. Delicious, I tell you. And of course, with the watermelon, you know the flavor of it just oozes out all over the place. And there it is. I've poured it in the pitcher. I'm just going to go ahead and put my top on it, and honey, I'm about ready to chug-a-lug-a-lug. Doesn't that look refreshing? That is yummy. Y'all, this healthy watermelon juice has so many amazing benefits, from helping you to lose weight, giving you all kinds of great vitamins A, C, and B complex. You're looking at a healthy gut, absolutely, and it's also anti-inflammatory. So you're looking at so much. It's amazing for your gut health, healthy bowel movements, everything right here in one juice. Happy juicing! Now be sure to consume this within 48 hours unless you add just a tad bit of lemon, about half a lemon, to preserve it 3 or 4 days. Alright, beautiful babes, that is it. I am getting ready to go ahead and finish my healthy watermelon drink to help me lose weight. It's very, as you can tell, beneficial for you in every single way. I'm your girl, Sweet Angel, signing out for now, bringing you something I know you can use and something that's going to help you to lose. That's it. Weight. Only weight. Okay? Well, honey, hope you liked it. Try it, and if you do, please let me know by leaving a comment in the comment section. If you think these beneficial amazing produce are going to help you do what you need to do, let me know that also. And if you don't have anything to say, please leave me some hearts down in the comments. You know I love me some hearts. They inspire me to do what I do. And I hope that's bringing something great and quality to you each and every time. Y'all, I'm out of here. My mouth is watering and I'm ready to drink up the rest of my juice. So I'll see y'all on the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell. Make sure you do that. That way you'll be notified the next time I got a good one for you. The next time I got a yummy one for you, I'll be right here. And please don't keep me a secret. Y'all know what to do, as you always do. Share me with your world. And I will see you on the next one. Bye.